Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young, go hard, and like Ghostface, I'm killing it because I am the party monster. Back in the house of Monster, back out with a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a pickup that I made courtesy of the Goat app. I know y'all don't really care about the unboxings, but unfortunately, the original plan got delayed because of the weather. So, yeah, I had to kind of go with plan B, but I think you're guys going to like this one nonetheless. I think it's a particular shoe that I ordered a while ago, and I'm super excited to see what's inside the box. We're going to be surprised, honestly, together because I have no idea what's inside of it, but I have a really strong feeling it's a particular shoe. But nonetheless, hope you guys all having a safe, great, and blessed day. Scream 6 just came out. I want to go see it. Haven't gotten to see it yet because your boy has been steady grinding, and yes, in more exciting news, stop 2 of the Wicker Man tour is 20 days away, which is insane. Your boy is going to be out on the West Coast. My favorite city, LA. I love it out there, and I can't wait to go back for round 2. Like, we all saw the Complex Con videos. Just know we're going to do a little bit bigger and better this time, and yes, I can't wait for that. And I'm definitely going to be bringing you guys along for the ride. We're going to be vlogging. We're going to be hit up WrestleMania. We're going to be doing wrestling events and all that good stuff. So, yeah, if you guys like me talking about wrestling, even more good news, your boy is starting a wrestling channel very soon. I'm not sure what I'm going to be calling it yet, but just know that if y'all like me talking about wrestling, then you're going to have a whole separate monster to deal with on that channel. But, yeah, I'm going to try to keep it separate from the sneaker stuff. So, yeah. But anyway, I have talked your guys' ear off enough. Without further ado, let's get it. Here's the deal, guys. For those that don't know, I love drinking and everything, so with next Friday being St. Patrick's Day, I thought it was only fitting your boy goes out there and has the best time of his life and everything, and I thought I would make it a vlog and everything, so definitely check out my video next Saturday for the whole shenanigans that your boy got into. And yes, other than that, if you guys were nice enough to stay tuned to this part of the video, just know that I'm going to be talking about a giveaway in my next review and everything. You guys won't want to miss that, so definitely check that one out. And yes, so I got my box cutter. I got my box. And we're going to take a toast to the Monster Club because you guys are the best. Appreciate you guys. I love alcohol so much, and you guys as well. But anyway, and thank you to the new subscriber that subscribes to the channel. I do appreciate it and everything. That just definitely made my day. So kudos to that person. And yes. So anyway, let's just get right into it. I want to say this is the Shattered Backboard Jordan 3. Well, the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0s, but I have no idea. It is not them, but oh wow, okay, so wow, I didn't even know I had ordered these, so we really are surprised and whatnot. But anyway, it is another pair of the Jordan 1 Royal Toes. Yeah, Royal Toes, I believe they're called. I forgot I got these, not gonna lie. I don't know what's going on with the back of the shoe, but yeah, they're a size, it's gotta be a 9. Yeah, size 9. I really forgot I had ordered these, but I love them nonetheless. They're here. Check them out. Little creased up, but at the end of the day, the shoe, I'm gonna wear it. I think this was when I was in that mindset of just buying more of these shoes because I think they're a fire shoe. But oh, these are a little sus, but they came from Go and they were authenticated, so we're gonna say that these are real. But yeah, another pickup of the Jordan Royal Toe 1s. Okay guys, so I'm super shocked to see these here, but I think they're a fire shoe regardless. I know I had ordered a pair, but I thought I already opened them up already, so definitely caught me off guard, but I think these are fire nonetheless. That's why I ordered another pair. We definitely got to switch up the lacing situation because I can definitely not rock with these. Like, if y'all know me, y'all know how I like to rock my ones, and this is definitely not it, but small problem. Anyway, thank you guys so much for checking out my video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button. Definitely share with a friend, and more importantly, the part I like to stress out every single video. So I'm going to take 2 seconds. Make sure you listen to this one attentively. If you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. Your boy's doing the Travis Scott giveaway. Again, hit that subscribe button to get yourself in that particular contest. But other than that, if you want to follow me, make sure you follow me on Twitter at PartyMonster1 and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. And until next week, remember, be excellent to each other and party on, dudes. Peace.